Can you count for me?
2.
Yeah, start with 1.
2.
Then 2.
3.
3.
4.
4.
6.
6.
Yay! I have this.
No pictures? What about kisses? Can I have kisses?
Kisses.
No kisses?
Fun.
Yeah, you almost fell.
Fun.
Look at mommy.
Mommy.
No, it. What?
Mommy.
That's my lotion.
Son?
Lotion.
Oh. I'm sure.
Your lotion? You want some lotion?
Beaties.
Lotion on your piggies? Okay. Can I help? Put your hand out. Or your foot. Rub it in. Does it smell good? Smell it. I meant your hand, not your foot. Smell your hand.
Nose.
Yeah, lotion on the nose.
My biggest.
Your piggies.
Ah. A fish.
And your face.
More.
No, you don't need more. You need to put your sock back on. Can you put your sock back on? You need help? Can you say please?
Please.
Please.
Sock on.
You want your sock on? Or do you just want to take your socks off?
Son.
Socks on? Okay, then why are you taking that one off?
Yes. Yes.
You want to go put them in the washer? Okay. Good job. High five. All right. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Wave to the camera. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye, camera.